Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I created this pink neon skull and it's inspired by James Charles's last year's Halloween neon skull makeup tutorial, and I'll leave all of his links down below. And yeah, I don't want to ramble on too long, but let's just say I'm really happy with this look, and it took me 2.5 hours, so bear that in mind when you're watching the video. Without further ado, make sure you subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoy it, and without further ado, I'm just going to get straight on into how I created this look. So if you want to see how I created / recreated James Charles' neon skull but pink, then make sure you just carry on watching. Okay guys, for this look I'm going to use the same Morphe palette that James Charles used, the Morphe 35B, and I've got to say thank you to my friend Kieran for this because she has very nicely lent me this to borrow for this video, so I'm really excited. Look how beautiful it is. So I'm going to be using the pink shades in this palette. James Charles used the blue shades, but I wanted to use the pink ones today. So I'm going to first go in with this shade here, and I'm going to pop that in my crease as a transition. So I'm starting off with the eyes first, and then I'm going to do the skull part afterwards. And I'm also going to run that just under my lash line. It's so cute guys. Every single time I film, one of my dogs comes and sits on my bed and just watches me while I talk to the camera. So cute. My other dog doesn't, she just sits downstairs, watches out for the door. So I'm also just going to slightly wing out the eyeshadow. Okay, so next I'm going to go in with this slightly brighter pink, and I'm taking a smaller tapered brush for this, and I'm literally going to pop that in the very crease of my eye and kind of wing it out in the same direction as this shade. So next I'm going to go into the darkest pink just here. It's kind of like a purpley pink, and I'm going to basically do the exact same thing, just deepening up the crease. I'm literally following his video as I do this so that I get it right. So next I'm taking the tiniest bit of the black here, just basically blend that in my outer crease and like the outer V of my eye. Okay, so since I don't have a white concealer, because that's what he's using in the video to carve out his cut crease, I'm going to try and attempt and see if this works. It's not going to be like white, but worst comes to worst, it's a pink. I'm doing a pink eye, so it doesn't matter if my concealer is like a pink undertone. I'm going to try and mix my Collection Lasting Perfection concealers in 1A and 2 green. What I'm thinking is the green will cancel out the pink tones in the concealer. I don't know. It worked. It's like very, very pale. I'm so proud of myself for that. So just doing a half cut crease on both my eyes now. Beautiful. Done-ish. Nearly, kind of, not really. Okay, so next he's using the, I think he's using a MAC pigment, but I don't have any MAC pigments. So I'm just taking a kind of, it's like a white pigment but it's slightly yellow. This is the best I've got to white, so I'm going to be using this today and pray that it works. Oh my god, it looks so pretty. Okay, I'm actually so happy with that. That looks so pretty.
Hi sisters, James Charles here, and welcome. And then finally I'm going to grab an M213 and dip this in the absolute darkest blue.
Okay, next I'm literally just going to darken up the lower lash line.
Now we get to move on to the fun part of this tutorial, and that is the half-face skeleton look. Next I'm going to grab any white eyeliner pencil.
So next I'm taking just a white eyeliner because that's what he... Okay, Okay, so next I'm taking a white eyeliner. This one is just by Rimmel. It's one of their soft coal Kajal eyeliners. So I'm just going to sketch out like the basics of the skull and the teeth and everything like that. So this is my baby Oscar. Oh, look at that. Oh, so this is my little puppy. He's not a puppy, he's old now, but he's my little Westie. He's the one that always sits and watches me when I film, and he's so sweet. And yes, he's got the same name as my boyfriend. Okay, so over every white line that I've drawn on my face at the moment, I'm going to take this shade here and just blend that over the lines basically. So next I'm taking that bright neon pink and I'm going to pack this into where the like outlines of the white lines were. Okay, after like 20 minutes of literally doing this, I'm getting really tired now. Okay, so now I'm going to take that black shade and I'm literally going to fill in all the gaps that aren't pink. So I'm taking a bigger fluffy brush to do like the main bits, and then I'm going to take a smaller brush to really get into like in between the teeth and places like that. Okay, so going back to the pinks and blending out the lines once more into the black. How have I almost used 2 full batteries making this makeup look? I've been filming this for 2 hours. 2 hours now. I was filming for 2 hours. Okay, so I'm taking my NYX white liquid liner and I'm going to go over the like most pink points of all the pink lines basically, and I feel like this is going to take me forever, but it's fine. I've also never used this liquid liner before, so let's give it a go. Okay guys, so this is the finished look and I am so happy with it. I've just put on some lashes and I literally cannot believe how well this has turned out. I spent like 2.5 hours doing this, but it was well worth it because I am so happy with this. Like, this is probably my favourite makeup look ever that I've ever done. That includes Halloween, normal makeup. This is my favourite I've ever done and I'm so proud of myself for it. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and turn on your post notifications so you're notified for all my new uploads. I am only doing this one Halloween makeup tutorial this year. I know last year I did a few more, but I've just been so busy and filming other videos that I've been really excited for, so just this one for this year, but this has taken me a very long time, so I hope you appreciate it. Plus I thought this would be a bit easier to recreate than like a special effects makeup. This was very difficult. If you're not patient, I wouldn't recommend this, but still. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next Friday for a brand new video. Bye guys.